Okay, so this is a Smart LED 164-inch LED wall, Smart LED FX1 1.5 millimeter. And as you can see, it's amazing. It's stunning. I'm gonna zoom out here just to show you the quality of our picture and the quality of the colors. Here you can see an extreme angle. And it uses Smart LED's proprietary digital signal processing, DSP. This does not use Novastar. And it's got a whole host of functions, which I'll show you in a later video. It's very, very seamless. You can see we have this very good technology where it's seamless. It's seamless. I mean, you cannot see a seam on this thing at all. It's Smart LED's tough panel technology. So if a kid touches it or you rub it, it's not going to break any of the LEDs. You can see. It's basically a COB matte finish that we've designed. And I want to show you here, if I can. It has an aluminum frame all around it. You can see the aluminum frame here also on the bottom. There's the speaker connections, but here it's like an anodized black, really nice finish, aluminum trim kit. And yeah, this thing looks absolutely amazing. 3840 hertz refresh rate plus the DSP, also 7680 hertz available as an additional cost, but this is definitely plenty for home theater use. It's also about 700 nits brightness calibrated, and it's just stunning. I'm gonna just show you a quick pan view here of the LEDs. Zoom out to one, just to show you. Actually, we can take an extreme angle shot too, because the viewing angle on our LED screens, on the LED walls, the micro LED walls we do is actually 170 degrees. So it's an ultra wide viewing angle, which I'm going to show you as I back up here into the gym area. So see, even in a very extreme angle, you can see the screen perfectly, even though the ladder's in the middle, right? I could even go even to here and I'm able to watch it. Obviously, a very wide viewing angle. So you can see even it's 1.5 millimeter. This is called HD plus. It's HD plus, which means that it's higher than HD. It's got an actual pixel ratio, which is several hundred pixels more than standard HD. But it's just an absolutely fabulous screen. You can see the trim kit all around. You see that? I'm really proud of all the digital signal processing that we do and all the calibration that we do in-house, designed here in California. And obviously the panels are made custom for us in China, since there's nobody that can really make the COB technology. But I mean, what we do is, it's really high-end, guys. So definitely thank you for watching. And if you have questions about our micro LED video walls or anything else, or the IT systems, the way to program them, how to install them, please feel free to call us. Our phone number is 1-800-762-0796. You can ask directly for me. It's extension 196, and my name is Sergio from Smart LED. And also, you can email us at either sales@smartledinc.com, or we also have info@smartledinc.com for general questions. If you're an installer and you want to learn how to install these LED walls, you can email distributors@smartledinc.com. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll leave it with a couple of more seconds of this amazing, beautiful Smart LED FX1 1.5 millimeter 164-inch micro LED wall. Thanks for watching.